Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Markets have just now closed, both the markets closed red, and with today's closing, trust me, both the market indexes are looking very scary. Let me tell you the reason why. I'm on the daily chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. If you are following my analysis regularly, I have been mentioning this is a minor resistance area that is around 9,080 points. Market have tried to break on multiple occasions. We saw rejection. It means clearly buyers are not aggressive or buyers are not strong. And we can see rejection right into this zone, which is marked for you already. And with today's candle, we are seeing big volumes in the market. This is a solid red candle indicating us buyers have failed here and sellers are aggressive in the market. Buyers could not close above this resistance point and sellers took over today, and we are seeing a solid red candle. Closing is at 9,032 points. Our strong demand zone is now very near, which I have been mentioning, that is around 8,975 to 9,000 points. I think market would like to visit this zone and then maybe establish a price action, go sideways, and then maybe we can see a breakout. For now, ADX market is very negative. Check this out guys, it's just on a decline. Right from 9,850 we are seeing almost all red candles. This is a strong downtrend. Sentiments are very negative in ADX. However, let me tell you that if you are picky about your stocks, if you are selecting your stocks correctly, then you can catch some big momentum like Dana, which I had already mentioned to you and members as well. Also Ishra, today it made very good move. Manazil also made good move. So if at all you are selecting your stocks carefully, then yes, there is chance of making money even when the market is going down. However, if you are just playing blind and selecting the stocks on the basis of your emotions just because it's getting cheaper, then let me tell you, you will block your capital. Let's check out DFM market. And this is the daily chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. We are seeing a solid red candle closing in DFM index as well. Closing is below our zone, that is 4,140 points. Two times market tried to close below this zone. Buyers were active here. But with this rejection candle, it was quite evident that now market is ready to go down, and exactly this is what we are seeing in today's candle close. One of the main reason why we are seeing a big candle is because Emaar's gap down. Obviously it was ex-dividend day, so price would adjust, and Emaar Properties is one of the heavy weighted stock on the market index, so definitely we would see its effect on the index. However, be prepared for tomorrow, as tomorrow is Emaar Development's ex-dividend date, so we will see continuous red candle most likely, unless big stocks like Emirates NBD Bank, DIB and Emaar Properties recover very nicely. Looking at today's candle, this is very negative. There are very good chances we may see continuation to the downside. Minor support at 4,110. If this is taken out, then we can come down till about 4,083. Yes, now we can say market trend is reversing. Previously market was in a solid bull trend after sideways momentum and head and shoulder pattern that we have been discussing lately. This bearish chart pattern got activated after the breakdown and we are seeing continuous selling pressure. So this is not looking good either. I think market is now reversing. Again, I repeat, select your stocks very carefully. It's not that there will be no opportunities in the market to buy the stocks. Yes, as long as you are selecting it rightly and going with the trend. So to summarize market indexes, both the indexes closed red. They are looking very scary, and I think selling pressure should continue. This is the daily chart of Ishra. Check this out. Today it was almost limit up. It went till about 13% up during the day, and today it has closed somewhere around 10% up for the day. Look at this chart pattern. This is a beautiful price action. Right at the time of breakout, I have been mentioning to my members, Ishra is ready for a breakout, and we have been stocking this stock right from this zone onwards, and I was expecting a upside momentum. Yes, I took the entries as per the plan. I made money as well, and I hope you did as well if your entries were around in this zone or even on the mid-range area. However, with today's closing, this is looking very interesting. There are very high chances of continuation to the upside, but at the same time I would say there are equal chances of coming down to retest the support zone. First and foremost support area is at 0.350. There are chances it may come down during the day, go up. or it can even come down till about 0.340, that is next support zone. However, let me clean the chart. There are also chances that after making this big candle, that is today's candle, it can just make a pause, because we can see previously there was a gap here and we can see selling pressure right at the top, which is quite obvious, which is healthy as well. But the best part is buyers were defending and they did not allow any deeper correction during the day. So from here, yes, as I just mentioned, there are chances it can just make a pause candle. At the top there is resistance, at the bottom there is support. So if at all it makes a pause candle here, and then later during the day when it breaks the high, this would be a good indication that Ishra wants to continue its journey to the upside. Overall, Ishra has started a trend. Previously it was struggling, as we can see it was just going sideways, it was accumulation phase. After the breakout, we saw a nice momentum. When it came back for a retest, this was our point of entry, and boom, to the upside. If we check the momentum right from this zone till about the top, then it has moved 17%. This is good profit. Even if you have caught 6 to 8% out of this move, still you made good money. For now, need of the hour is tomorrow it should not open with a big gap down. At least a flat opening or with a small gap up would be best scenario, so that new buyers can jump in and then possibly we see continuation. For now, if you are planning for your entries, you are a bit late. Reason being, if you enter right at the top, your stop loss will be very big. If it comes down for a correction, you will be in big losses. That's the reason, guys, always enter with momentum at the time of breakout. Our markets are very sensitive. Any negative news impacts the market in a big way and the position goes negative very fast. That's the reason I always tell my members, if at all you are taking any risky entries, enter with small quantities so that even the stock runs away, at least you are with the trend, you are not left alone. Because what happens after this big move, those who missed this one, they must be now under FOMO, that is fear of missing out. They will try to catch it right at the top, and if at all it comes down for a correction, they are in losses. As I just mentioned, best scenario is always after a successful retest, you can enter here with confidence. When it breaks the resistance, you can add more quantities. I hope, guys, you understood this concept. If you did, do not forget to hit the like button to show your support. For more detailed analysis and my stock recommendation, join my YouTube membership. Link is in the description. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.